Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today Kennedy's creating some animal print nails with some neon splodges. So we're starting off with Snow White and we'll pop in a nice even layer of this all over the base. She's just going to pop that in to cure for 60 seconds before going in with the second layer. And then she's going to cure that again. Next she's using Mimosa, and this is going to be for our neon splodges, so it's a really rich neon-y orange. So she's just using a fine detail brush and putting on a wiggly line down at the bottom of the nail and just filling it in. So she is going to show you how to do a bit of a mix and match set on 4 different nail tips. So this is just one of the designs. She's going to place the neon part in different bits of the nail and different animal prints on different nails too. We're going to cure that and then go in with Serious Black, and this is going to be for our animal print. So we're starting off with the zebra effect. So she's just taking another fine detail brush and dragging it down in a wiggly line from the top, and then just another one to join and filling that in. And this is just going to be repeated multiple times, some coming from the top and some coming from the bottom. Once Kennedy's happy with this pattern on this nail, she's going to pop it into cure before moving on to the next design. So for the next one, we're doing a cow print. So she's just taken a dotting tool with some more Serious Black and splodging that on. So you don't want these to be too even or too similar. You want them to be spread out and a little bit random. And she's just adding some of those splodges to look like they're coming from behind the neon section too. Once that's done, we're popping it into cure before going in with some top coat and putting a layer of this all over the nails. Cure that, and there we have the final nails. So you can have the splodges bigger or smaller, you could have the stripes bigger or smaller, you can do them more like a French tip with the neon. I think they've turned out really cute. If you want any of the products used today, they'll be linked down below and tagged in the video. We hope to see you next time, guys. See you later. Bye.